So, what's going on, my virtual home? How's everything going? I hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we're going to talk about the Amazon KDP publishing tool and how there has been new rules implemented. Now, hey guys, if you don't know what the Amazon KDP publishing tool is, it's actually a tool that you use to self publish your books, journals, planners, and written material onto Amazon. So once you publish your written material using the Amazon KDP tool, the written product shows up for sale on Amazon. Now, guys, there has been some talk about there being a lot of low quality material on the Amazon um, website when it comes down to written material. So, and I'm not saying this is the reason why, but it is said that Amazon has just recently created a publishing limit. And if you publish a lot of books, kind of like myself, as you guys know, I am just now getting started. I'm new in the game of publishing on Amazon. But if you are publishing a lot of work out at one time, you are going to notice that there are now limits to how much you can publish in a day. Guys, I've noticed that limit. I've also noticed another limit of how many books can kind of be like in review at one time. I'm not sure what that exact limit is, but yeah, there are two limits that I know about so far. One, your daily publishing limit, and two, the amount of written materials that you can have pending in the review queue at one time. So there you have it, guys. There are limits. I am here to confirm it. Now, as far as the daily publishing limit, it seems that the daily publishing limit on Amazon is now 3. Yes, I said 3. That means you can only upload 3 projects to Amazon at a time within a 24-hour period. If you try to upload a project to Amazon and you've already used that limit, then you are going to get an error message. Okay. Now, check this out. If you are uploading a project, and let's just say you've created the project, you hit the create button on the Amazon KDP, and you have started to enter the title and the subtitle and the description and even maybe the keywords. You have 7 keywords that can go into the keyword space. But let's say you have started all of that and you get to the very end where you hit publish. That's where you're going to get your error. Not only that, you will not be able to save, because guys, I was uploading and I was like, okay, oh, we got an error, so how about I just save this as a draft to work on when I can publish again. And I found out you cannot even save a draft, guys. So keep that in mind, especially if you're not backing up your keywords and your descriptions and stuff like that. If you know that you have uploaded 3, or even if you didn't know and you come onto this error, you're not going to be able to save that within the Amazon KDP program. So I suggest that you create maybe a Word document if you have come up to this problem, and you save your title, your subtitle, your descriptions, and even your keywords, and maybe even your desired price at the time for that project in a Word document or a notepad or something like that, so that you can use those words and keywords and titles and stuff when you're able to publish again. But guys, yes, I'm here to confirm there is a limit on Amazon. Okay, guys, let us know in the comments, how did you hear about the limit? Was it this video that let you know about this limit on Amazon, as far as the publishing daily publishing limit, or did you get into publishing and you're publishing, you're putting out work, and then bam, you got the error message saying, hey, you know what, you have reached your limit? So did it happen like that, or did you was there another video here on YouTube or on some platform that informed you about this Amazon KDP limit? But however it may be, I'm here to confirm, because I've actually been through that. Okay, so I got hit with the error, guys. So it's real. It's real. It's getting real in the field here on Amazon KDP. With that being said, guys, here I am just giving you guys the helpful information, the basics, everything that I know as I grow in this Amazon publishing space. With that being said, if you guys like this video, then we'll be very, very happy to see that you liked it by you hitting the like button. Yes, hit the like button if you like this video, if you like this type of news, so that we can create more content like this. Also, if you guys want to be a part of our community, you want to make it official here at My Virtual Home, then you can definitely subscribe to our network. All you have to do is hit that red subscribe button, or whatever color it is for you. Hit the button to subscribe, and you will be a part of our family that we hold so dearly. Now, some of you guys may want to get content from us as soon as we drop new material. And if that is you, guys, then you want to hit the bell notification button. It'll be somewhere at the top of your screen. Hit that bell notification button, and as soon as we drop material, you will be the very first to get a notification. With that being said, guys, we really appreciate your viewership, and we'll see you on the next episode.